So let me give you some of the factors which we think are very, very important. The first is experience in the healthcare sector. There are 100 types of digital marketing agency. Out of them, 95 people do everything for everyone. But the more important factor for us in the healthcare is we should So let me give you some of the factors which we think are very, very important. The first is experience in the healthcare sector. There are 100 types of digital marketing agency. Out of them, 95 people do everything for everyone. But the more important factor for us in the healthcare is we should seek an agency which has the experience in the healthcare sector. They have worked with healthcare, hospitals, doctors for a while. Okay, that is very, very important, whether they have an experience in healthcare or not. So you have to check that one important factor, how much year they have been working in healthcare. Okay, and experience, what is their clientele, what kind of work. If they are dedicatedly into the healthcare, fantastic. So you will find a lot of digital agencies who will market in on Facebook that they are working with doctors, so they are working with hospitals. But when you go to the website and understand, you will see that those people are working with what other people as well. So they have 4, 5, 6 verticals. Okay, so instead of that agency, you should look for agency which is exclusively working in the healthcare domain or doctor and hospitals. And the minimum tenure that you should look, they should at least be 3 years old. Do it properly. Invest some amount of at least something like whatever revenue you have. You can spend almost 3 to 5 to 7%, depending on what is your appetite for marketing. So if you're individual, you can, whatever salary or whatever money you are generating and monthly, you should invest at least 3 to 5% on the marketing and brand building. Okay, so
because healthcare is actually specialty, and to understand the mindset of the audience, that is the potential patients or potential people who are going to come to show you, their mindset is to catch the mindset and to do it in a proper way. It requires some experience as well as understanding of the market. So that is why it is very important to have the experience in the healthcare sector.
Okay, so do it properly, invest proper amount of money because it needs a critical mass to give you result. So just giving 10,000, 25, 15,000, 20,000 rupees will not work. Okay, it is not good enough. So first is experience in the healthcare sector. Second is compliance and regulatory knowledge. So see, it will follow from whatever I'm saying previously. So if they have the experience, they understand the compliance. You understand that there is a lot of guidelines to be followed. Now, if you take somebody who has not worked or who is a general digital marketing agency, they will give you a post or videos or something which is they do not know about the MCI guidelines, and they can just post it without your knowledge, and someday you will get some complaint. Okay, yeah. So you need to save yourself from that thing also, because then your 10,000, 15,000 will not matter. You have to spend lot more than that. So compliance and regulatory knowledge should be like a person who is already working in that agency. They should have this thing. So you should think about before giving your work to somebody that they are experienced and they have this knowledge, right? So these are the second things. So you can keep noting down in your notepad if wherever you are watching. You can type in your phone also all these other checklists with which you can select a digital marketing agency. Okay. Now third is their reputation, track record, and content quality. Now, how you will going to measure their track record, content quality, reputation? So go for their testimonials. Okay, on their Facebook, on their own profiles. Okay, so ask for their social media handles and see what kind of content they have built, or their customers which they are working, what kind of content they are developing, or how the page look, the post look, the video look. Okay, so when they are saying, just see the content and what is their philosophy with which they work. So there are agencies of different philosophy. There is nothing wrong and right, but it should align to your way of working. Okay, some agencies are like they want a lot of content and put a lot of content in the social media or digital marketing so that it generates a lot of engagement. They then they might not be very focused on the quality or very beautiful looking posts and videos. That is okay, fantastic, because they are focusing on growth, so it is okay. But then there are some people who are focused on brand, on their colors and the beauty of the posts and videos. There's nothing wrong and right. It depends on your liking or disliking. Okay, so go through their own profile, their customers profile, Instagram, Facebook, to check the quality of content they are doing and what is the philosophy of their service. Okay, so their philosophy is also very, very important. How they make content depends on the agency's philosophy of work. So ask for their philosophy. If somebody is not able to do answer you about their philosophy, that means they are not good digital agency. Okay, if they have not given enough thought to their work, so that is not a good agency. Okay, the fourth important is customer testimonials. Okay, so ask for their customer testimonial, and especially doctor and hospitals are there. Some people will send you recorded videos and phone numbers, email ID, so that I can contact and ask their feedback directly. So if you can take that much pain, you can ask 2 or 3 good customer that they feel they have done service. They will give you, if a person is not hesitation enough, if they have done good work, they will give you. If agency is not good enough, they will hesitate. They will give you a lot of reasons of not sharing that data. Okay, they will say there is a privacy problem, I cannot share with these details and all those details. All these are just bullshit. Okay, you also follow a proper protocol to reach out their customers and ask for their feedback. You can go to the different touch points, Google reviews, Facebook review, their customer testimony, video testimony. How many videos you can fake? Okay, you can fake 2 or 3, 4, 5 videos, but if the guy had 100 of videos as a customer testimonials, then I think that solves the problem. Okay, so customer testimonials which will include online reviews, video testimonials, which is the recorded testimonials. Okay, and then you can ask for direct emails and names and mobile number, and then follow certain protocol. Do not directly call them, just WhatsApp them, and you can give the context why you are contacting some other hospital or doctors, and then you can ask your feedback of that agencies. The fifth is local SEO expertise. Okay, so as you know, for doctors and for healthcare, for lead generation, Google is very, very important, and Google search. And somebody who has SEO expertise means they can help you optimize your Google My Business. They can help you in website, Google search engine, or keywords. Those people will be more beneficial for you because they can run the paid campaigns as well. Okay, not only the social media post, but they can actually generate leads by optimization your social Google search. So if they have local SEO expertise, for example, means because your services are localized, language also play important role. So for people who have that kind of capabilities, that you are in South India, so people have expertise in that language, or somebody sitting in Delhi also, but they have expertise in South India, or South India person who had expertise in North India. The point is the person should be able to do Google search optimization for you. Ask for this thing as well.